to our guide on how to post about moving to a new place of living on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options available. 4. Choose Home and Living from the list of life events. 5. Select Moved to indicate that you have relocated to a new place. 6. Enter the details of your move, including where you moved and the date of the relocation. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to determine who you want to share this update with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to announce your move to your Facebook friends and connections. By following these steps, you can inform your social circle about your change of residence and share this exciting news with your Facebook community. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to post about moving to a new place of living on Facebook. Keep your friends and family updated on your life events and experiences by following these simple steps. Stay connected and engaged with your network through this feature on Facebook.